Hello guys, welcome back with me. I'm Meliani AULIYA. Just call me May. I am from English Education's name 063. Today's video, I'm going to leading you guys through a quick 7-minute stretch routine that's going to help with your posture, back posture, and fix your back. I know a lot of us studying from home these days, or we are studying at campus and we are sitting at our desk with our shoulders hunched forward, or we are sitting scrolling media, playing your mobile phone like this. Maybe it's like this. With this posture, it's going to make you look bad in your back posture. I'm guilty of it too, so this quick 7-minute routine is really gonna help to open the chest, stretch it out those shoulders, stretch it out that back, so we're feeling good for the rest of our day. Actually guys, you don't need any equipment, just make sure that you can see your screen so you can follow along with me. So stretching with me, work out with me, and exercising with me. Without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so first started off on the ground. You can sit it on your knees or wherever's comfortable for you. Yeah, actually this exercise you can do it while you're watching a movie with your family or just chilling with yourself. Okay, so we're going to focusing opening up your chest like this, and your fingertips are behind your head. Hold it like this, and your elbows, you're going to bring your elbows forward together, and also after that opening up like this and gaze towards the ceiling like this, going to up. Hold this, stretch until you feel good. Slowly take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Hold this as long as you want. Okay, good. Okay, next ones, arms are in this sort of like ghost positions. You can focus in your elbow, pressing your back like this, and you're going to bring your arms up like this, and then you're going to put your arms down, up, and the way down. Don't forget to always press your back and bring your elbow, pressing your back like this. And after that, you can do it as much as you want. Like this, breathe, inhale, and exhale. Enjoy the movement, guys. You must do it consistently if you want to have a better result and have a fast result for your posture. Okay guys, next up, we're going to come into tabletop positions like this. Okay, we're going to do some work on focusing your shoulders. Those shoulders, you bring up your shoulders and press your elbows back until you feel the pressure. And after that, you can bring your elbows towards the floor like this, or toward the other's elbows. Okay, and bring back up again like this, and bring down towards the floor like this until you feel this core. Enjoy this movement slowly. Do it slowly with the right movements. Okay guys, and don't forget to do it each side by side. This is the right hand. After the right hand, you can put your left hand behind your head and do it the same like before. Do it as much as you want until you feel good on your back. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick minute stretch. You can do this on your lunch break in between your work hours. You can do this at the end of the day or even when you are at campus. So it's just really quick stretching that you can do to help your back, fix your back, to get a better posture, and also to open up your chest and kind of reverse all that hurting on your back going after you do all days. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also let me know how you enjoy in the comments of this video. Thank you guys so much for being here with me today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.